Using an iPad effectively as a lawyer involves optimizing its features and apps to enhance your productivity, organization, and legal work. Here's how you can make the most of your iPad. 1. Legal apps. Explore and download legal-specific apps from the App Store. These can include legal research tools, case management apps, document review platforms, and digital signing apps. 2. Document management. Use cloud storage services like iCloud, Google Drive, or Dropbox to store and access legal documents securely. This ensures you can access your files from anywhere and easily share them with clients or colleagues. 3. Note-taking and annotation. Utilize note-taking apps like Notability or GoodNotes to annotate PDFs, highlight key points, and jot down case details during meetings or hearings. 4. Document creation. Use productivity apps like Microsoft Office or Apple's Pages, Numbers, and Keynote to create and edit legal documents, presentations, and spreadsheets. 5. Legal research. Explore legal research apps like Westlaw or LexisNexis to conduct research, access case law, statutes, and legal journals directly from your iPad. 6. Communication. Use email, messaging apps, and video conferencing tools to communicate with clients, colleagues, and opposing counsel. Apps like Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and Slack can be helpful. 7. Calendar and scheduling. Use your iPad's built-in calendar app or other time management apps to schedule appointments, court dates, and tasks. 8. Task management. Download task management apps like Todoist, Things, or Microsoft To Do to organize and prioritize your tasks, assignments, and deadlines. 9. Secure access. Set up secure access to your iPad with a strong password or biometric authentication, like Face ID or Touch ID, to protect sensitive client information. 10. Keyboard and accessories. Invest in a compatible keyboard case or standalone Bluetooth keyboard to improve your typing efficiency, especially for drafting documents and emails. 11. Virtual meetings. Participate in virtual meetings, depositions, or hearings using your iPad and a reliable video conferencing app. 12. E-signatures. Use electronic signature apps like DocuSign or Adobe Sign to sign and send legal documents securely. 13. Research organization. Use apps like Pocket or Evernote to save and organize online articles, research, and case references for later use. 14. PDF management. Utilize apps like Adobe Acrobat Reader or PDF Expert to manage and mark up PDF documents effectively. 15. Security and encryption. Implement device-level security settings and consider using encryption apps to safeguard sensitive client data. Remember, the key is to customize your iPad to suit your specific legal needs. Experiment with different apps and workflows to find the combination that enhances your productivity and efficiency as a lawyer.